If you're looking for the best website to purchase custom domain for your Vibe Coded app, I've got you covered on this one. In this video, I'm going to show you the website I bought my custom domain for my Vibe Coded app I built with Lovable. If you have built a website, a web application, or any app at all with AI tools, and you're looking for where to get custom domain so that you can connect it and make it live, watch this video till the end. And in the end, I'll give you a secret code I've used to get a massive discount for as low as $5 per .com domain. By the way, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. On this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design with WordPress, WooCommerce, Shopify, and AI. So if these are things you love, hit the subscribe button, and I will log into my system now and show you the exact website I've been able to use and how I was able to get it for as low as $5. This is the full stack app I built in Lovable. As you can see, this is Lovable. As you can see, it has been deployed, but what I want to show you is that it is live. So look at the custom domain I connected to the host. You can actually purchase domain cheaper, and I will show you where I was able to purchase this domain for as low as $5. As you can see, this is the domain here. This is a custom domain. In Lovable, it has subdomain here. Now I have connected it to my host. Let me quickly show you where I bought the domain. If you come here now, this is the place I purchased the domain. I purchased on March 12, 2026. So this is the amount I bought it. Look at it here. So I want to show you so that you know that I am giving you something that is legit, right? So if you want to purchase this domain, what you have to do is just come to your browser and type faithamowole.com / spaceship. So it will quickly bring you here, right? Next thing you have to do is just to search for the domain you want to buy. As soon as you type faithamowole.com / spaceship, it will bring you here. So the first thing you have to do is just to search for the domain you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy faith.com. You want to check the availability of this particular domain you want to purchase. Let's say it's your SaaS app. You want to check if it's available. As you can see, it is available here, and you are purchasing at the rate of $8.88. We have to do what you add to cart. While that is loading, let me quickly show you something. So I want to show you that this is the best place you can buy domain cheaper. So this is .com domain. If you purchase 8.88 a year, right, you're going to renew at the rate of 9.910. This is the cheapest domain registrar you can get for your Vibe Coded app. So as you can see, if you want to transfer, you are transferring for less and it is cheaper. If you're using something like Hostinger or Namecheap, you are going to renew at a higher rate, either $17, $16, $14. But then those ones are also okay, but this is the cheapest I have used. I want to quickly show you. As soon as you do that, so you will be able to purchase your own domain. So see the amount I purchased. What did I do? I quickly used a code. I'm going to leave that code in the description of my video. Please make sure you use the code to get a massive discount. So at the point of checkout, you are going to do that. So I've added this to cart. So I'm going to do what? Click on view. So as soon as that is done, I'm going to leave all of this. I don't need all of this. So I'm going to click on continue. As soon as that is done, so I'm going to click on checkout. So we're not doing another thing here. It's just added the icon fee. The icon fee is 0.2 cents. I'm going to click on checkout. It has prompted me to log in. I'm not going to log in here, but then as soon as you log in, you add your payment details. It's a straightforward something. That is that you're going to actually select how long you want to, the duration of your domain. You can choose 6 years, you can choose 1 year. Let me keep it at 1 year. So I click on checkout. It will prompt me to log in. So as soon as I log in, it will bring an interface here. So let's see something here. You will see that it will prompt you to enter coupon code. If you have a coupon code, you will copy the coupon code in the description of my video. Please put it there. Okay, let's do it here. As soon as you actually select the year you want to purchase your domain for, let's say 1 year, you copy the coupon code I will put in the description of my video. You enter it here. As soon as you enter it here, let's say I enter something like So let's see if this will work. It will prompt me to log in, which I don't want to log in because I've already logged in my own account where I purchased this. What you will do is, as soon as you enter the code in the description of my video, it will actually give you opportunity to buy at this rate. As you can see, this is my invoice, this is my name, this is my payment method, and that is that. So if you are building your website or web application or any SaaS tool or micro SaaS tool with AI, you can purchase your custom domain from this particular website, and if you use my link, you're going to get a massive discount, and it will be in the description of my video. If you want me to do a detailed video on how to host your vibe coded app on a free host, I'm going to do that video right away. Just type it in the comment section and say, Faith, teach me how to host my app on a free host. I will do that video and show you where I hosted my own app. As you can see, this is my app. It is hosted and it is live. I will show you where I hosted it so that it will be live for you. Just purchase domain here, connect that custom domain, and you are good to go. See you in my next video.